Good morning, students. Today we shall read the chapter integration. Before integration, I shall discuss about the syllabus. Revise the syllabus. That is relation and function, relation and a function, inverse trigonometric function, linear programming problem, unit 2, determinant and matrix, determinants and matrix. This is unit 1 and this is unit 2. Then unit 3, derivatives, and application of derivatives. Application of derivatives, excluding velocity, acceleration, and errors and approximate value. Derivative excluding Rolle's and Lagrange's theorem. Rolle's and Lagrange's theorem. Unit 4, integration, excluding sum of integration. Unit 4, integration and differential equations. Unit 5, 3D and vectors excluding triple product. These are the revised syllabus for 2021 council examinations. Now we shall read integration. Today we shall read about integrations. What is integration? The reverse process of differentiation is called integration, or the antiderivative of a function is called integration, or the primitive of a function is called integration. Write down definition. The antiderivative of a function is called integration. or the primitive of a function is called integration. Or the reverse process of differentiation is called integration. The reverse process of differentiation is called integration. This is the symbol of integration. Since the antiderivative of a function is called integration, since derivative of suppose sin x is equal to cos x, so the primitive of cos x is equal to sin x. Primitive of cos x is equal to, therefore integration of that is primitive of cos x equal to sin x plus constants. Since derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x, therefore integration of 1 by x is equal to log x plus constants. Types of integration. First, indefinite integration. The integration which has no particular value or no definite value is called indefinite integrations, or the integration which has no upper and lower limit is called indefinite integration, or the integration whose value is expressed by addition of a constants is called indefinite integrations, whose standard form for indefinite integration is integration fx dx, where fx is the integrand, that is the functions. Where fx is the given functions or integrands, and dx means integration with respect to x. So the value of indefinite integration is expressed by addition of a constants. This integration has no particular value, whose value is always expressed by the variables. So for an example, integration of say square x is equal to tan x plus constants, where c is the arbitrary constants. C is any arbitrary constants. Therefore, the formula of definite integrations. In integration of 0 is equal to constants. Integration of 1 is equal to x plus constants. Integration of x to the power n is equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constants, where n is not equal to minus 1. If n is equal to minus 1, then this can not be determined. So integration of e to the power x equal to e to the power x plus constants. Integration of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x by log a plus constants. So integration of 1 by x equal to log x plus constants. Integration of sin x equal to minus cos x plus constants. Integration of cos x is equal to sin x plus constants. Then integration of tan x equal to log sec x plus constants. Integration of cot x is equal to log sin x plus constants. Integration of sec x is equal to log sec x plus tan x plus constants. Integration of cosec x is equal to log cosec x minus cot x plus constants. Cosec x minus cot x plus constants. Integration of sec x into tan x. Integration of sec x into tan x is equal to sec x plus constants. Integration of cosec x into cot x is equal to minus cosec x plus constants. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square root over is equal to sin inverse x plus constants or minus cos inverse x plus constants. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x plus constants or minus cot inverse x plus constants. And integration of 1 by x modulus into x square minus 1 root over is equal to sec inverse x plus constants or minus cosec inverse x plus constants. Then integration of 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus constants. Integration of dx by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus constants. Integration of dx by x square plus a square root over is equal to log x plus x square plus a square root over plus constants. Integration of dx by x square minus a square root over equal to log x plus x square minus a square root over plus constants. Integration of dx by a square minus x square root over is equal to sin inverse x by a plus constants. Integration of x square, integration of dx by x into x square minus a square root over is equal to 1 by a sec inverse x by a plus constants. Integration of x square plus a square root over is equal to x by 2 into question x square plus a square root over plus a square by 2 into log x plus x square plus a square root over plus constants. 25 integration of x square minus a square root over is equal to x by 2 into x square minus a square root over minus a square by 2 log x plus x square minus a square root over plus constants. And integration of a square minus x square root over is equal to x by 2 into a square minus x square root over plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus constants. These are the formula of indefinite integration. Then method of integration. First reduction, second substitution, then by parts method, and fourth partial fraction method. The integration of any function can be determined by one of the or two of these processes. So indefinite integration easy. Then come to definite integrations. Next period we shall read details about the reduction, substitution, by parts and partial fractions one by one. Thank you all.